Imagine the vast, silent darkness of space, an endless, cold void stretching farther than the mind can truly comprehend. Out here, there is no up or down, no sound, just the quiet hum of eternity. In this infinite expanse, countless objects, asteroids, comets, and even entire planets, drift through the darkness, traveling for millions, sometimes billions, of years. Each one follows its own lonely path, shaped by gravity and chance, but every so often these solitary journeys intersect. When they do, the result is a cosmic collision, an explosion of energy and matter that can light up the darkness and reshape the very fabric of a solar system. Today, thanks to the incredible power of the James Webb Space Telescope, we have a front-row seat to one such event. Webb has captured the aftermath of a massive cosmic crash, revealing details never before seen by human eyes. This isn't the stuff of science fiction or distant dreams. It's a real event, unfolding right now, hundreds of millions of miles away from Earth. The universe is alive with drama, and we are lucky enough to witness it. At the heart of this story is an object called 3I Atlas, a mysterious visitor from another star system, traveling through our cosmic neighborhood. It's an interstellar wanderer, carrying secrets from worlds we may never see. Something monumental has crashed into it, shattering its surface and sending debris flying. This rare event gives us a precious glimpse into the chaos and violence that shape solar systems, both near and far. In moments like this, we become cosmic detectives. The James Webb team is poring over the data, searching for clues about what happened, what collided, and what it means for our understanding of the universe. The universe is never still. Planets spin, stars are born and die, galaxies swirl and collide. Everything is in constant motion, a cosmic dance that has been going on for billions of years. Collisions are a natural part of this dance. From tiny meteors burning up in planetary atmospheres to massive impacts that can reshape worlds. These events are both destructive and creative, forging new possibilities from chaos. What makes this event truly electrifying is that it involves a genuine interstellar traveler, a piece of another solar system, now forever changed by its encounter with ours. We have just witnessed a fragment of another world get struck right before our eyes. It's a cosmic story billions of years in the making. So, let's dive deeper. What exactly happened? What secrets can we uncover from this collision? And how does this extraordinary cosmic crash challenge and expand our understanding of how the universe works? Could it even change what we know about the origins of planets and life itself? The curtain is lifted on a new chapter in the story of the cosmos, one filled with fire, ice, and the very building blocks that make planets, and perhaps even life, possible. The universe is telling us its story, and with every new discovery, the tale grows richer. The story of the cosmos is unfolding before our eyes, inviting us to watch, to wonder, and to learn. To witness this extraordinary event, we needed the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced and ambitious eye in space, representing decades of innovation and collaboration across the globe. Its giant gold-coated mirror, spanning over 21 feet, collects the faintest whispers of infrared light, allowing us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. This mirror is a marvel of engineering, designed to reveal secrets hidden behind cosmic dust and gas that have long obscured our view. With its powerful infrared vision, Webb can see through the cosmic fog, peering into stellar nurseries where new stars are born and observing distant collisions that shape galaxies. It unveils the hidden structures of the universe, painting a vivid picture of cosmic evolution. In many ways, it's a time machine, showing us the universe as it was billions of years ago, just after the first galaxies ignited. Each image Webb captures is a window into the distant past, helping us piece together the story of creation. Webb can also study the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for signs of life, and analyze the aftermath of cosmic impacts, giving us clues about planetary formation and destruction. Positioned nearly 1 million miles from Earth, it operates at frigid temperatures, protected by a massive sunshield that blocks heat and light from the sun, Earth, and Moon. This isolation allows it to detect the faintest signals from the farthest reaches of space. This telescope isn't just for capturing breathtaking images, it's built to answer some of the most fundamental questions about our origins, the nature of galaxies, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. The discovery of the 3I Atlas collision is exactly why we built it, to witness cosmic events as they unfold and to deepen our understanding of the universe's most dramatic moments. Webb stands guard on the vast cosmic ocean, catching stories written in light that have traveled for billions of years to reach us, waiting to be decoded. It's a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and our relentless drive to explore the unknown, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With every observation, Webb brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe, unraveling mysteries that have puzzled humanity for generations. And today, it's given us a front-row seat to a cosmic drama, reminding us that the universe is alive with wonders, waiting to be discovered. Meet 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever discovered by humanity, and a true cosmic wanderer. Its name stands for Third Interstellar, an asteroid terrestrial impact last alert system, the survey that first spotted it. Unlike anything born in our solar system, 3I Atlas is a mysterious traveler, ejected from its home star system millions, perhaps even billions, of years ago. It has spent eons drifting through the vast emptiness between the stars, shaped by forces and environments we can only imagine. Studying it is like getting a rock sample from another world, a piece of alien geology delivered right to our cosmic doorstep. It's a rare opportunity to examine the building blocks of planets from a completely different solar system. By analyzing its makeup, its ices, minerals, and dust, we can unlock secrets about the chemistry and history of distant planetary systems and compare them to our own. When first detected, 3I Atlas looked like a comet, developing a glowing tail as it neared the sun. The heat caused its ices to vaporize, creating a spectacular display visible even from millions of kilometers away. But its incredible speed and sharply angled trajectory revealed the truth. It wasn't bound to our sun. Instead, it was just passing through, a true galactic tourist on a one-way journey across the Milky Way. Each interstellar object is a rare messenger, offering us a fleeting snapshot of another corner of the galaxy. They carry clues about the environments and processes that shape distant worlds. Even before its dramatic turn, 3I Atlas was already under intense study by astronomers worldwide. Its unexpected arrival sparked excitement and curiosity as researchers raced to gather as much data as possible. But then, a cosmic collision changed everything. The impact transformed 3I Atlas from a passive curiosity into an active laboratory, scattering its material and revealing its inner secrets. Now, for the first time, we have a unique chance to study the raw, unaltered materials of another solar system, materials that have never before been touched by our sun. This is a fleeting opportunity, one that could forever change what we know about the galaxy and our place within it. The story of 3I Atlas is just beginning. So, how did Webb spot the collision? Not by watching the impact, but by catching its aftermath. During a routine observation, scientists noticed a sudden dramatic increase in dust around 3I Atlas. The object brightened in infrared, as if a dust bomb had exploded. Webb's instruments detected a plume of silicate dust, rocky material, expanding rapidly. This wasn't normal comet activity, it was an explosive event. The only explanation, something slammed into 3I Atlas, blasting out fresh, pristine material. Webb's spectrometers analyzed the dust, revealing its composition. The new material was untouched by space weather, a clean sample from deep inside. The impactor was likely a small, fast-moving object, one of countless rocks in our solar system. This chance encounter turned 3I Atlas into a natural experiment, exposing secrets for us to study. Space may seem empty, but our solar system is filled with debris, asteroids, comets, and icy bodies. The main asteroid belt and the distant Kuiper belt are crowded with millions of objects. Collisions are a fundamental part of how solar systems evolve. In the early days, countless planetesimals crashed and merged, building the planets. Even the moon was born from a giant impact. Collisions aren't just destructive, they're creative, shaping worlds. Jupiter's gravity stirs up the chaos, flinging objects onto new paths. When an interstellar object like 3I Atlas enters, it's flying through a cosmic shooting gallery. A collision isn't certain, but it's always possible. These impacts happen at incredible speeds, releasing immense energy. The hit on 3I Atlas unleashed more force than a nuclear bomb, blasting its interior into space. This violent event is a rare scientific gift. It lets us study the building blocks of another world, exposed by chance. A collision like this is a scientific windfall. By studying the debris cloud, Webb can identify the chemical fingerprints of molecules and minerals. We're analyzing the building blocks of a world from another star system. Scientists look for water, essential for life, and compare it to comets in our own solar system. Finding water hints at the universality of life's ingredients. Webb also searches for organic molecules, the seeds of life. The dust tells us about the geology and conditions where 3I Atlas formed. Are its minerals like Earth's or something alien? This collision is like a biopsy, and Webb is our microscope. Each clue helps us piece together the story of other solar systems. This single event could reshape our understanding of planet formation across the galaxy. For years we only had our solar system as a model. Now, interstellar objects let us analyze the raw materials of other systems. If 3I Atlas is similar to our comets, it suggests planet-building chemistry is universal. If it's wildly different, it reveals new ways to build worlds. Either way, our theories expand, and the galaxy becomes even more fascinating. The collision also teaches us about our own solar system's dynamics and impact risks. By studying the impactor and crater, we refine our models of planetary history. Every data point builds a richer, more accurate story of the cosmos. The universe just handed us a new chapter to read. The 3I Atlas collision is just the beginning. This event has energized astronomers to hunt for more interstellar visitors. New observatories like the Vera Rubin Observatory will soon scan the sky for these objects. We'll build a statistical sample comparing their compositions and origins. Some may be icy, others rocky. Each one a new puzzle piece. Webb's success in analyzing this collision will guide future observations. Next time, we'll be ready to catch every detail. Someday, we might even send spacecraft to intercept an interstellar object. It's a huge challenge, but no longer science fiction. The knowledge from 3I Atlas is our first step toward that dream. The hunt for cosmic messengers has only just begun. The universe rarely gives us such a clear glimpse into its workings. The collision of 3I Atlas, seen by Webb, is a reminder that the cosmos is alive and ever-changing. Tools like Webb extend our senses, letting us witness creation and destruction across the stars. This telescope is the product of our deepest curiosity, connecting us to the ancient wonder of the night sky. Now, we can study the very stuff other worlds are made of. Each interstellar object is a postcard from afar, and this one just got opened for us. The story it tells will fuel discovery for years to come. So next time you look up, remember the silent travelers and the golden eye watching over it all. The universe is telling its story, and we're finally able to listen. Our journey to understand the cosmos has just leapt forward.